Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start with admin access. Without it, you cannot change policies. Open gpedit. MSC now, or Registry Editor if you run Home Edition. This matters because Home lacks gpedit. Once done, locate Windows Defender settings under Computer Configuration, right arrow Administrative Templates, right arrow Windows Components. Make sure to temporarily turn off real-time protection inside Windows Security to avoid interference while you test changes, and create a restore point or export the registry key so you can roll back if something breaks. You now change the rule blocking the program. In Group Policy, explicitly set the Windows Defender antivirus policy to disabled or not configured. This removes the block originating from Defender. If gpedit is unavailable, edit the registry key at hkey local machine /software /policies /Microsoft /Windows Defender and set disable anti-spyware to 0 or delete the key. Be careful. Once done, review software restriction policies and app locker rules because they commonly enforce blocks. You finish by forcing policy refresh with gpupdate/force, then restart the Windows Defender service and reboot the PC to apply changes. Once restarted, verify the program runs and confirm Windows Security no longer reports a policy block, and check Event Viewer for related error entries. If it still blocks, add a Defender exclusion by path or file hash for testing. Troubleshooting tip: if corporate domain or MDM control settings, contact IT. Remote group policy can reapply blocks immediately, so revert only with approval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.